Is it important to have a sattvic vegetarian diet during your pregnancy phase to have a healthy baby and a happy baby? You understand the importance of having a balanced diet, a high protein diet during this phase of your life? We all are very clear that we are creating the body of the child. A healthy body of the child can only be created if we are having a nutritious, balanced diet. And most of us consult all our dietitians, and which is very valid and necessary. And we do make significant changes in our dietary intake, in what we are eating, the amount of water we are drinking. We all know alcohol is an absolute no, smoking is an absolute no, even taking colas, even taking coffee, we are very, very skeptical. And we are clear here that we cannot consume alcohol, and we have to avoid all types of aerated drinks, and coffee also, if it's absolutely necessary, we'll take, although we allow a cup a day. But still many of you don't want to have it because you don't want your child to be developing with any chemical or any such substance which may even cause any harm or ill health to your unborn child within the womb. So today I want to stress on another deeper fact, because if we go back to our ancient times, the ancient wisdom which we all are actually groomed from, we all used to have a sattvic pure diet. 100 years back, you wouldn't be actually seeing people in our community at least having non-vegetarian food. According to Ayurveda also, vegetarian diet, fruits, vegetables, pulses, milk products, this is all, alive food, high energy food, sattvic food. So I feel I should be sharing with you from the medical aspect as well as from the spiritual aspect the importance of having a pure vegetarian sattvic high energy diet during this phase if you want to create a healthy body as well as a healthy mind. And the state of your mind while you are preparing the food also plays a very significant role. The person who is preparing your food, the state of mind of that person also is actually your responsibility. So having food cooked by whom is also something you need to take care, at least during this phase of creating another life, because now this project is huge and you need to be very focused for it. Many studies have been done in the West. In Harvard, Dr. Michael has worked so much with diabetes. He's told us that if you are having a vegetarian diet, you can almost prevent diabetes. And if you type on the net, on Google, you will find loads of studies telling us that there is a decreased risk of having coronary artery disease, gastrointestinal cancer if you are not taking animal protein. Actually, human bodies are not designed to have animal protein. Our intestines are about 10 to 12 times longer than our length. Whereas in carnivores, the length of the intestine is very less. Any animal protein takes a long time to digest, but the plant-based protein will digest in about 8 hours and it's out. So, is vegetarian diet actually enough if you want to create a healthy baby's body? Because the aura of the vegetarian food anyways is very high, and even the body of your baby will be absolutely fine. The only thing you need to take care is that you need to take care of having high protein vegetarian diet, and the amount of protein you have to get from soya, from pulses, from milk, from many sources. In animal protein, you just need any animal protein which will give you all the amino acids. But in a vegetarian diet, to get all the amino acids, you have to have a wide range of proteins. And they are going to digest in just 8 hours as compared to many hours of animal protein. So why do you want something with a negative energy, with a heavy energy, staying in your intestines when you are creating a pure body and mind? Now you will say, what is this aura of food? I mean, how is a non-vegetarian food or animal protein having negative aura? Please go on the net and type the experiment which has been done with water, the experiments which have been done with plants. The water experiment which has been done by Masaru Emoto clearly stated the type of crystals which were formed when we were having pure thoughts and looking at that water, and the crystals formed when we were having negative thoughts, thoughts of anger, fear when we were looking at water. The shape of the crystals was beautiful when our mind was creating good thoughts. So that doesn't just go for water, it goes for food as well. And any animal protein is just going to possess thoughts of fear, anxiety, extreme fear, I would say, anxiety, stress, anger, helplessness. That is why in our Ayurveda we've always been telling that this is tamasic food, low energy food, in fact negative energy food. Now if we are wanting to have a healthy, happy, virtue child, value-based child within, we can't afford to actually nurture this baby within the womb with negative energy and low energy if we have other good, positive options. So having a pure sattvic diet is going to make you lead a very caring, compassionate, easy life. So your baby's mind and body is also going to carry that emotional baggage, and you will be able to create a healthy and happy baby with a peaceful, happy mind.